How to source items on Shein application. Are you guys facing issues to find items on a Shein app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top of your screen where you can see the source icon. Tap on it. Once you click on it, search the item name that you want to look for. After you search for it, you can see those items. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna search item on Shein application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.